Hello, today we are finding the domain and range from a graph of a relation. This is a discrete graph, and it means it's made up of separate points, not a line. We're not solving an equation or anything here, but we are simply reading values from the graph step by step. So with that, I'm going to read each point that's plotted on the graph and then write those points down. Here we have -3 and 2. And then there's 1 and -1. Next, there's 2 and 3. And last, there's 4 and 0. So let's go ahead and write down those points. So again, that is -3 and 2. And then there's 1 and -1. Next, there's 2 and 3. And finally, there is 4 and 0. So each point is written as an ordered pair, as you can see here. Now, the first number is the x value. The second number is the y value. So what we're going to do next is find the domain. Now the domain is the set of all x values. So we have -3, 1, 2, and 4. And so we list each x value once. Now, order does not matter because this is a set. So I'm going to list them in ascending order anyway. So I'll write D for domain, and those values are -3, 1, 2, and 4. All right. So now we're going to find the range. The range is the set of all y values. So we have 2, -1, 3, and 0. Again, I'm going to list each value once, and so I'll write R here for range. So R is for range, and I'm going to list those values as well in ascending order, or from least to greatest. And so we have -1, 0, 2, and 3. Okay? So always remember this. Domain means x values from left to right. Range means y values up and down. If the graph has points only, you write sets, not intervals. And just take your time reading the graph, and this type of problem becomes very straightforward. So, as always, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.